Welcome to Spirit Shack. This is the Para4ce REM Master. So this is basically a static detector. It has an antenna which is detachable. Yeah, if you're going to carry it about in your bag, I'd take this out because obviously if that's in your bag and there's pressure put on there, it could snap this off. So I'd advise you take that out if you put it in a bag or your pocket or whatever. So it has a battery cover on the back. It's taking 9-volt square battery. There's a switch to turn the power on and off. So when it's triggered, when it picks up static, it alerts you with sound and with the lights. So basically, spirits are believed to be made up of electricity, partially static electricity. So humans can trigger this by putting your hand near it, and so can spirits. So we'll basically give it a little test. So you want to extend the antenna, place it down. So the red LED indicates that the power's on, so it's not detecting static at the minute. But if you put your hand near it, you get 2 lights there. We're a bit closer. One side, yeah, you had 2 lights flashing at first, and then you got one side light, second green side light, blue and then orange, and then even closer they'll go off. Yes, there is a lot of varying stages, different light sequences depending on how much static is detected. So yeah, it's a good little portable static detector. So if you want one of these, I'll leave a link in the video description. Thanks for watching.